Hi, I'm Vance, and welcome to Repair and Replace. If your dishwasher controls stop working or only work intermittently, then it could be one of several problems. Many dishwashers have a power control board and a separate user interface board. If there's power, but the controls aren't responding, then it's likely a problem with the interface board. Before anything else, it's best to try a hard reset. Shut off the breaker, and after 5 minutes, reconnect the power. In many cases, this can reset the board. If this doesn't work, then it's best to inspect the wires. In this episode, first, we'll remove the door panel and check the wires for damage. Then I'll show you how to replace the user interface board. Thank you to Frigidaire for sponsoring this video. Let's begin. To begin, you might need a screwdriver or nut driver. Keep in mind, there is some variation between models, and not all dishwashers will have the same parts. You can enter your model number on the Reliable Parts website. This will bring up a model breakdown with the exact replacement parts listed on the side. First, shut off the breaker to disconnect the power. In some cases, you can unplug the dishwasher. Now shut off the water supply valve. This should be located under the sink. It's also a good idea to wear cut-resistant gloves, as there can be some sharp edges. First, open the door. Now remove each of the mounting screws on the inner panel. There might be several larger screws. Remember where they go, as using the wrong screw in the wrong hole can damage the mount. Now remove the outer panel. The user control board and door latch are often located in an upper module. Now remove the mounting screws. Tilt the panel forward and disconnect the wire harness. And remove the module. Because of the high moisture, the wire connectors can become corroded. You can try to clean them with a high-grade 99% alcohol. If this doesn't help, then it's best to install a new board. If needed, disconnect any wires. Now release the mounting tabs. In some cases, you'll have to remove several screws. Align the new board onto the mount and let it snap into place. If needed, tighten the mounting screws. Reconnect the wire harness. Next, align the control module and make sure that the mounting holes line up. Now, tighten the screws. Slide the outer panel onto the mount. Make sure to align the edges or the holes will not line up. Now, tighten the screws. Turn on the water supply. Next, reconnect the power. Now it's best to test the dishwasher to see if it's working properly. You can start a cycle even without any dishes or detergent. If this works, then cancel the cycle and run a full load of dishes. If you found this episode helpful, then subscribe to our channel. And when you need a replacement part, you can get it online or in one of our Reliable Parts locations. Thanks for watching.